As a leading manufacturer of leather, there's an art and science to our work. For the first time, beautiful aniline leathers can be specified for high-traffic, high-stain locations. Worry-free with Crypton protection. Cortina is the world's only leather manufacturer that brings you the art of beautiful leather, luxurious, uncompromised hand, and the performance of Crypton protection from stains and spills. Stubborn stains are guaranteed to be easily removable using readily available cleaners. Even bleach solutions are safe to deep clean and disinfect. Crypton also works to reduce color fade, protects against harmful UV rays, and resists wearing off because it's embedded right into the hide during our leather-making process. The leather provider of world-famous brands, from hotels and restaurants to coffee chains, from workspace and residential furniture to cruise lines, casinos, and accessories. Cortina Leathers, with exclusive Crypton protection, where beauty meets performance through cutting-edge design of luxury leathers.